We are Tego, and with your help, we make products for adventurers. This is the best one yet. On Kickstarter, you said, I love this idea, and I need to organize my technology doodads, my bike tools, my dog toys, my art supplies, and my horse's makeup, but there's no bag designed for me and my stuff. So how do you make a bag that's perfectly different for everyone? Well, challenge accepted. Introducing the Tego Adventure Kit, the world's first bag designed by you for you. What does that mean? 7 sections, for now, that you slide together to create hundreds of carry options for your stuff. Tego adapts itself to you, not the other way around. And just to make sure the slides are as durable as the rest of the bag, we tested them 5,000 times. The 7 sections include a waterproof compartment, 2 mesh zipper pockets, plenty of elastic straps, cord wraps, 2 big mouth pockets, and even an exterior pocket, all to organize essentials of any shape and size. It's tough, durable, and machine washable. Load it up, roll it up, and everything will be exactly where you packed it, safely separated from petri dishes. Countertops. You can hang it, lay it flat, or drape it on anything handy. It still handles toiletries effortlessly. But now it fits everything else you carry. Mascara and bike tools, dongles and dog toys, chargers and cables, utensils and stencils, spices and devices. Okay, you get it. Best of all, Tego is a purchase with purpose. We're climate neutral certified, and every roll is made from 2.7 recycled soda bottles. Tego is for everyone who adventures: commuters, parents, travelers, artists, mechanics, and you. Whether your adventure is fly fishing or working on that next novel, we organize adventure. Thanks to you. This is our 3rd campaign, and hopefully the biggest one yet. As we say a lot, every good idea we've had came from you. Thank you for letting us turn your frustrations into solutions for you, for us, and the planet. Let's roll.